Thanks for checking out 400 North Doheny Drive, unit number 3 in beautiful West Hollywood, California. This is an upper bachelor, and it does have air conditioning, and all the basic utilities are paid: water, gas, trash, and electric. There is this full bathroom with a bathtub shower, and there is a small kitchenette. The closet size is good sized for this size unit, and there is air conditioning, which is key during certain times of the year. Like I said, this is an upper unit, and it does have a small pool. So enjoy the rest of the tour. Please call with any questions, or if you want to see it in person.